Hey guys, let me ask you a question. Do you have the real secret to making money in 2019? Well, it does make you say, and that's the headline of this product that I wanted to bring to you by Brendan Mace and Jonah Armstrong. The product is called Profit Maximizers. And what Profit Maximizers is, and as you can see, I'm here in the members area, it's a ton of done-for-you bonuses. Part one of this product has explainer videos on how to get the most out of using these bonuses in your promotional campaigns. And not only that, they give you 40, yes, you heard me, 40 done-for-you bonuses in part one. And then it gets even better because they also give you another 40 bonuses here in part two. I mean, you can pretty much find any bonus that's going to be congruent with the offer that you're trying to promote with this one product. And at the time of launch, this thing's going to be a measly $17. It's unbelievable as to how much they're giving away inside of this product. Now you can get your hands on Profit Maximizers by clicking on the link below of this video, which is going to take you over to my bonus page for Profit Maximizers. So it says right here, again, do you have the real secret to making money in 2019? They're going to give you over $3,800 worth of bonuses. And we're not talking garbage PLR. We're talking some high-powered products here. And many of them they've actually sold on the JB Zoo or Warrior Plus platforms and have sold thousands of copies and have made hundreds of thousands of dollars on. So as far as being assured that you're going to get some high-powered quality bonuses, I would definitely take a look at picking this product up. You can scroll down a little bit and Brendan's going to give you a little bit more of an explanation of what this product's all about if I didn't just sum it all up for you. Now there are some prices and OTOs. On the front end, like I said, it's only $17 to get these 80 done-for-you bonuses. This is insane value for the money. And it's going to shortcut you to be able to put some bonuses onto your offers to get people, hopefully get a higher conversion rate. You're going to triple your commissions with OTO 1. It says high quality training on exactly how to use these bonuses to maximize the profits that you're going to make. OTO number 2 is Scarcity or Scarcity. Easy conversion boosters. This is a collection of conversion boosters that will massively increase the profits that you make in any of your promos. You have OTO number 3 for $197. This is so far has not been so far we have shown people how to get traffic on demand. This upgrade shows them how to maximize the money they make from the Fuego Funnels. Okay, and then you got OTO number 4 here for your bonus pages. If you want them to be hosted by these guys, they will host all of your bonuses for you. It says get monthly campaigns for life. This is a one-time payment with no recurring fees whatsoever. So they're going to continue to give you campaigns and they're going to host them, which is a pretty cool one. I'm not sure how much the price is on that one. It wasn't listed, but you'll see it as you go through the sales funnel. And lastly is the license rights. That one's going to be $97. It didn't put the price here, but it's $97 and you actually get to keep 100% of the entire funnel, which is pretty powerful stuff here. Now, if you want to get your hands on Profit Maximizers after you come through my bonus page and click on any of these red buttons on or after March 9th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, that's when this product goes live, and that's when you'll be able to not only pick this up, but if you pick it up through my link before the timer runs out or before I hit my first 75 bonus bundles, you're going to get some bonuses from myself as well. You're going to become a beta tester of my new product here, Affiliate Marketing Mastery. So I'm going to give you full access to that, and I'd like you to run through it and critique me on that product and see if you think it's going to be a good one when it comes to the market. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you and walk you through the steps of launching products on JB Zoo. Bonus number 3, you're going to learn how to write compelling headlines, because if you get people's attention within the first 10 seconds of them clicking on your page, the chances are they're going to stick around and possibly convert into buyers for you. And that's what these compelling headlines are going to do for you once you figure out where to get them, how to remodel them, and what to do with them. Okay? bonus number 4, I've got a bonus for you that's going to show you how to launch a new product every single month. So we all know the money's in launching products, and that's what this product here is going to show you how to do. And then you can also utilize some of those bonuses inside of Profit Maximizers as your back-end bonuses when you get your products launched. And then here for bonus number 5, I've got effective content marketing, so you're going to learn some stuff there. All these bonuses that I'm offering are exclusive to me. I mean, you can shop around, find out what other people are offering out there, and come on back, and hopefully I've delivered enough value as to make that will make you want to go ahead and pick it up through my link. All these bonuses will be ready for you inside the Warrior Plus members area. Once you purchase your product, you're going to come through and you can go ahead and just put access affiliate bonus, and that's where all those 5 bonuses will be waiting for you inside the members area. All right, now if you're interested in this product, and I'd go ahead and pick it up fast, because I don't know how much longer this thing is going to be $17. On the sales page it says that they don't know either, and they may even take them down forever. So I'd get in on this. 80 bonuses for $17. A lot of these are top selling products of these guys, so I think it's a no-brainer. Thanks for watching this review, and I will see you in the next one.